My teammates are Veda, Tanuja, Deepa. Our topic is rainwater detector. Introduction: a rainwater detector is an electronic device designed to detect the presence of rainfall. It is widely used in various applications such as triggering alarms, controlling irrigation systems, or automating windows, roofs, or being in residential of industrial buildings. The system typically consists of a sensor to detect rain and a control circuit for the design output action. Now it is continued by 1990.
Objectives of this report under the working principle and components and application of the rainwater detector analog satellite benefits and limitations. Components of the rainwater. The primary components of the rainwater detector include the rain sensor module. This includes the conductive traces on the PCB or a water absorbent material that identify water droplets. Control the circuits include the microcontrollers of our basic electronic circuit to process signals from the sensor. Power supply provides the required power to the system. The output device could be alarm, really motor or indicator light to show the presence of continuous rain.
The rain sensor operates by detecting changes in electrical conductivity. When the rain water falls on the sensor, the circuit completes due to overcast conductivity. This triggers a signal that is processed by the control circuit. The process signal activates the connected output device. So this is the connection diagram. Applications. Rainwater detectors are used in smart irrigation system to conserve water by sending irrigation during rainfall, weather monitoring system for real-time rainfall data collection. So the next slide is planning.
Water conservation reduces unnecessary irrigation and letting rainfall, increase efficiency, automates daily process for these operations, cost saving, prevents wastage of water, reducing costs associated with manual monitoring. Its limitations are sensor accuracy, performance can vary depending on sensors, quality and environmental conditions. Cost, high quality sensors and systems may come with the significant price tags. Its maintenance requires periodic maintenance to ensure the system remains functional. Conditions
Rainwater detector is an effective tool for automating process and conserving resources. It helps reduce costs, increase efficiency, and contribute to smart environmental friendly systems. While it has certain limitations, its applications are wide ranging across industries. And 9-volt battery, buzzer, and switch. When they
When the first, this is a simple circuit. When the first drop of rain water falls, the buzzer will beep and the sound will be produced. So this is very useful in irrigation system. It can be also used to detect chemical water or chemical rain, and it is also used in automobile industries. It operates the wiper when the rain is detected. Thank you.